Hi, I'm Jesse McCabe. I'm the CEO here at Solid Digital. I'm also the developer of Doc Variables, a Google Docs add-on that allows you to add variables into your Google Docs. I'm going to show you the very basics of how to use this add-on right now, and let's get started. So first of all, I have a blank document here. I'm going to assume that you have the add-on installed. So if you go to Add-ons, Doc Variables, click Start, a sidebar is going to open up. It's going to scan the document to see if there's any variables that already exist. And if there aren't, it's going to show a little welcome screen. Give some news, updates on what's going on with the add-on, as well as some getting started steps. So we're going to go down to the getting started area. If you see right here, the highlight, that's the basic syntax of creating a variable. $sign, the squiggly left bracket, the variable name, and then the right squiggly bracket. So if I just copy and paste that into my document like that, it will, that's the syntax. So you can have one, you can have many. I'm going to show you this. So if I do 3 or 4 of the same variable name in the document, when I click reload, it's still only going to find the one variable name and allows me to put in a value there. So I'm going to type in Solid Digital, and if I click apply variables, it now sees that I'm applying the value of one variable. I click start, and it will go through and replace all of the different instances with the value that I entered. So now we see Solid Digital doesn't see any new variables, so it goes back to the welcome screen. That's the very basics. I'll show some other videos on some of the more advanced features and how to use doc variables with other elements in the variable name. But for now, this is the basics, and thank you very much.